Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Zera, and today I want to talk to you about something that could seriously change your life, especially if you've been struggling with high blood sugar levels, low energy, or difficulty losing weight. I know firsthand how frustrating it is to try different diets, pills, or protein shakes and still feel like nothing really works. That's why I'm excited to share something I recently discovered called glucotonic. Now let's get straight to the point. What is glucotonic? Glucotonic is a liquid dietary supplement made with 100% natural plant-based ingredients. It comes in drop form, so it's super easy to take daily. What makes it different is that it targets the root cause of blood sugar imbalances instead of just masking the symptoms. Here's what it does. Helps regulate blood sugar levels, improves your body's insulin sensitivity, boosts your metabolism, reduces cravings for sugar, and supports weight loss naturally. That means more stable energy throughout the day, less fatigue, and overall better health without side effects. Another thing that really stood out to me is that glucotonic is made in the USA, in an FDA-registered facility that follows GMP certified standards. It's also non-GMO, has no chemicals, and no harmful substances at all. That's a big deal for anyone who wants to avoid unnecessary risks or side effects. Of course, if you have any serious medical condition, I always recommend talking to your doctor first, just to be safe. Now, a quick but very important warning. Glucotonic is only sold on the official website. Please don't buy it from Amazon, eBay, or anywhere else. There are fake products out there that can be harmful or simply don't work. To help you out, I've left the official link in the video description below so you can make your purchase safely. So, does glucotonic really work? Based on everything I've seen, yes. People are reporting lower blood sugar, more energy, better focus, reduced bloating, and real weight loss. Just remember, it's not a miracle overnight solution, it's a natural treatment, and it takes a bit of consistency and patience. Most people start noticing results within a few weeks, but for best results, you should use it for 3 to 6 months. The good news is, they offer package deals with big discounts and even a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if it's not for you, you can simply ask for a refund. So if you're tired of feeling stuck and want a real, natural solution to support your blood sugar, improve your metabolism, and feel like yourself again, I highly recommend checking out Glucotonic. Just don't forget to use the official website link below to avoid any risks. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you the best on your health journey. Take care and see you next time. Bye.